how to brighten your LG Smart TV screen. So what we want to do is first click on the settings icon, which is this one. And once we have the settings open, we will hover over the top option right here. And we want to press the middle button. Now, once we have accessed the settings, we will go into picture, just click on the middle remote control button, and then we want to go into advanced settings here. So once we have selected advanced settings, you will see brightness, just click on brightness, and you will see some extra settings here for your LG Smart TV. You can adjust the contrast, the black level. Obviously, you will play around with these settings to your liking. And also, if we go back, I just want to show you one more thing here. We can change the color as well. So the color depth as well as the tint. And that's basically it. Play around with the settings and you will be able to brighten your LG Smart TV. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.